Hi, I'm Alexandar De La Paz. I finished a bachelor's degree in finance. After that, a few years later, I finished my master's degree, also here in Southville. I took up master's in business administration. Currently, I work as a credit risk officer of a local bank here in the Philippines. I've been doing it for around 3 years already. I ensure that the bank's credit portfolio only consists of quality assets, and my methodologies are mixed of a quantitative analysis such as financial analysis, which I learned from in college, those methods, and of course the mathematical analysis, and data-driven analysis, all of which I've learned in Southville. On the side, I am also a college professor here in Southville. I teach major subjects in finance. What I teach is one, what I learned in school, what I've read from the textbooks, and two is what I do, how I do it in real life or in professional practice. First, the learning style in Southville. We do not just teach what the textbook procedures. Such as I do not just teach textbook procedures. It's a mix of, yes, textbook plus the real life applications, how we actually do it in real life. We actually teach that, or they actually taught that to me. So number two, as a type of student, no, not just as a student, but as a child, I'm not really quite of a fast learner. In fact, I'm not even average. I'm a bit lower than average, just a bit. The deans especially and the professor, they were very, what do you call this? They were very patient in guiding me. Although they did not, of course, they did not spoon feed me, but I really did feel that they have my back. So I was learning, slowly but surely, and at the same time, I was gaining confidence. So for this question, allow me to deviate from discussing anything academic related or anything professional related. So just to show you that in Southville, you do not only learn how to do your job or how you run your business, but also how the school positively influences the way you live your life. So if you've heard of the 5 C's of Southville, it's just a slogan, but believe me, the school will really ensure that you actually apply the principles in real life, but first, in your studies. One of the 5 C's of Southville is commitment to achieve. So, through my adherence to that principle, I have achieved so much that I never even thought that I will be able to in the first place. Such as, of course, as a below average student, graduating from college in the first place is such a feat. I even jokingly told my dad that I have done the impossible. And let alone, I've even finished my master's, right? So as the principal, commitment to achieve has guided me to reach academic and professional achievements. You will notice you will also be applying it outside your work, outside schooling. Maybe in my fitness, right? I don't just come to the gym. I don't just work out to just to get the work in, but I really try to exhaust all efforts of my physical capacity to really have the best workout for the day. So, as per career, let's talk about career, right? So I started my career as a fresh graduate, no credentials, no credentials, no job experience. So no one would hire me then, as I have not proven anything yet. So commitment to achieve. So I tried harder. I apply. Whenever I would land an interview, I really ensure that that my answers are really practiced, and it's rehearsed over and over. So when I get asked, it just comes out naturally. And fast forward, I am now a credit risk officer. So this commitment to achieve. That's the influence of Southville to me. How I learned about Southville? How did I? Well, word of mouth. Word of mouth. I have friends who are older than me, higher batch. They went to Southville, and they would tell me stories on how they are being taught, how they are being trained. Just like how I mentioned earlier, it's a mix of textbook learning and professional instruction, professional style of learning. And well, true enough, it's the same thing. It's the same as I experienced, and it's the same that I am making my students, having my students experience. Even though I wasn't very smart, even as a child, even though I was a bit slow, I still had dreams, I still had passion, and I'm still someone who would like to maximize my potential, or maybe let's say I would like to maximize the least that I have. And just like my older peers, they would really tell stories that the school really supports that, the maximization of your potentials and leading to achieving way more than your goals. That's why I chose Southville. I wanted to experience the same. I wanted to do the same. I wanted to achieve the same and more. And true enough, it happened. I did it. There is not one event that I enjoyed most in studying in Southville. It's actually the entire journey, the entire learning process. It was memorable. The way the professors guided me and extended patience. Another thing is the community. So this goes way beyond the professors. Also your classmates, your batch older than you, who can also guide you. They would also help each other out. So we would also help each other out. So my advice for upcoming students and current students, and maybe aspiring professionals already, is whatever job you do, if you apply the Southville's principle of commitment to achieve, you will surely provide outputs that are at least satisfactory and possibly way beyond excellent. Once again, I'm Alexandar De La Paz, an alumni of Southville's bachelor's program, bachelor's in financial management, and MBA, master's in business administration. And this is my Southville Amazing Stories.